and welcome to this explainer on ByteLearnF. We are kicking off something incredibly exciting today, our dedicated focus on Python and AI learning. And look, whether you're watching this on a laptop in a bustling coffee shop, or you're just holding a smartphone right here in Ethiopia, I am absolutely thrilled to tell you that the world's most popular programming language is completely free and totally accessible to you right now. You already know AI is changing the world, right? We all read the headlines, we follow the crazy trends, and you probably use the tools every day. But today, you are in exactly the right place to start learning how to actually build with it. We're making that massive, absolutely crucial shift from being just a passive observer of the AI revolution to becoming an active creator. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's take that very first step together. We are living right in the middle of a massive AI boom, and it is just an absolute adventure to witness. It honestly feels like every single week there's a new breakthrough or some crazy new model that completely redefines what computers can do. But as someone who follows the space pretty closely, have you ever stopped to ask yourself what actually runs these massive platforms? When you sit down and type a prompt into these incredible systems, what's operating behind the scenes to make that magic happen? Like, what is the actual literal architecture powering AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini? Okay, let's dive into this. Well, the answer is Python. It's a remarkably simple, yet deeply powerful programming language. And you know, what's funny is it was actually created way back in 1991. But don't let its age fool you. Its incredible adaptability is exactly why it serves as the rock-solid foundation for modern AI today. It's like a giant puzzle that kept getting better. Over the decades, this absolutely massive, passionate community of developers kept evolving it, building upon it and refining it until it became the ultimate toolkit for artificial intelligence. So if your goal is to automate your workflows, or maybe build your very own custom AI agents, or just create real value in today's digital economy, learning Python is your exact non-negotiable starting point. It is literally the bridge between human ideas and machine intelligence. So out of all the programming languages out there in the world, why is Python the undisputed chosen language for AI? Now, what's really interesting here is its sheer simplicity combined with just vast open resources. First and foremost, it is the #1 language for AI and machine learning across the entire globe. But honestly, perhaps more importantly for us, it is specifically designed to be easy to read and easy to write. It's not some chaotic jumble of complex matrix-style symbols. It actually reads a lot like plain English. Plus, it gives you immediate access to thousands of free libraries. We're talking things like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face. These are basically massive collections of pre-written AI code created by the world's top researchers that you can just plug right into your own projects to solve incredibly complex problems instantly. It's a real game changer. To put that into perspective and to understand just how incredibly valuable this skill truly is in the real world, you just have to look at the titans of the industry. Google, Netflix, Instagram. These are literally some of the biggest, most influential tech companies on the planet, and they completely rely on Python to run their hyper-complex recommendation algorithms and their massive backend platforms. I really want to validate the learning journey you are embarking on right now. Deciding to focus on Python and AI learning, especially as we look toward the future and head into 2026, is quite literally one of the smartest career decisions you can make. You are equipping yourself with the exact same fundamental language that the tech giants use every single day to shape the digital world. Now, let's talk about how this fits into your own personal setup. Because you might be sitting there wondering, okay, do I need some expensive, high-powered supercomputer for this? Absolutely not. I want to prove to you right now that there are zero barriers to entry here. None. If you have a PC or a laptop, you can just easily download the software directly from python.org. But if you only have a smartphone, you are still completely included in this tech revolution. You can simply grab the Pydroid 3 app directly on the Google Play Store. Both of these paths are completely free, and both will allow you to send prompts to incredibly powerful AI brains right from your screen. You already possess the hardware you need to get started today. How cool is that? So let's actually walk through getting this set up together. I want to slow down for just a second to show you how completely straightforward this really is. There's no hidden magic trick here. Step 1, you download the latest version from the website, or you just download the app on your phone. Step 2, install it on your device, just like you would literally any other normal, everyday app or piece of software. And step 3, open Python. That is the whole shebang. That's literally it. This entire process takes less than 5 minutes. There are no complicated technical hurdles to jump over. And I promise you, you do not need a computer science degree to do this. Honestly, it is easier than canceling a gym membership. Just 3 simple steps to cross the threshold into the world of coding. And once you have it open, This is it. This is your true aha moment. This is a major, major celebratory milestone in your coding journey. I want you to open your new Python interface, and I want you to type this exact line of text. Ready? Type, print, open parentheses, quotation mark, hello byte-learn F, exclamation point, close quotation mark, close parentheses. Then firmly press enter. And boom, Python will instantly print your exact message right back to you on the screen. Congratulations. I know it might seem incredibly simple, but you have just successfully written and executed your very first piece of code. You're testing and proving the exact environment we are going to use to talk to AI models. You just established your communication pipeline. So the crucial point is wrapped up perfectly in this message right here. Python is not hard. It is just new. Every expert was once a beginner. You know, when you look at those mind-blowing, world-changing AI systems on the news, it is so incredibly easy to feel a sense of imposter syndrome, or to think, wow, I could never build something like that. But you have to remember, every single brilliant developer, engineer, and tech visionary who built those systems, they started exactly where you are today, right here, by making a simple, friendly message print on a blank screen. You just have to start and build your knowledge one single line of code, one logical step at a time. Which brings us to an incredibly exciting question to wrap up our explainer today. Are you ready to write Python code that actually talks to AI? Because that is exactly what we are doing next. In our next explainer, we are going to dive deep into real AI integration. We're going to take that foundational pipeline you just built today, and we're going to plug it directly into a live artificial intelligence, walking through it step by step. So make sure you subscribe to byte-learn F so you absolutely do not miss it. Because now that you've unlocked the foundational language of the machines, what incredible things are you going to build when those machines finally start talking back to you?